If you're interested in trying out the new Windows 11 operating system, well, today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to download it from the official Microsoft webpage. All right, so that's coming up. All right, here we go. So that's all that you have to do is go ahead and type that in right there. Software download Microsoft. All right, go ahead and type that in into your web browser and go ahead and press enter. It's usually going to be about the first link. All right, so go ahead and click the first link right there where it says software download Microsoft. All right, it's going to go ahead and take you right there, and then as you can see, it gives you the option to go ahead and click Windows 11. For whatever reason, I don't want to try out Microsoft Edge, so I'm going to click no thanks. If you want to go ahead and download Windows 10 or Windows 8.1, you can definitely do so. For some reason, they're not allowing you to go ahead and download Windows 7 anymore because they ran out of support, but that's a different story. We're not going to get into all that. All right, so go ahead and click right here, which is what this video is all about, downloading the latest and greatest operating system from Microsoft. All right, as you can see, this is the official page. All right, it's available for anyone to go ahead and download it. All right, this is the official Microsoft page, and right here you click Windows 11. All right, once you go ahead and click Windows 11, it's going to go ahead and give you some information right here as to what's Windows 11, what can you do if you want to go ahead and do the upgrade. All right, so go ahead and feel free to go ahead and read that right there. And then right here, if you want to go ahead and read the Windows 11 installation assistant, click the plus sign right there. It'll give you some information. If you want to know how to create the Windows installation media file, it's right there, click the plus sign. It'll go ahead and give you some information. All right, so this is where we're gonna go ahead and download the ISO file for Microsoft for the Windows 11 operating system. All right, go ahead and click right there where it says select download, and obviously you're going to select that one right there, Windows 11. Then you're going to click download, and then right here it's where you can go ahead and select your language. All right, it has all of these languages right here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click English and then confirm. All right, that's all you do. Okay, and then it's going to go ahead and throw you that message right there, Windows 11 English 64-bit. all right, and then that's all you do. As you can see right here at the bottom left hand corner for me, it's telling me that it's a 5 gig file and it's approximately going to take about 4 minutes. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the video, and then I'll go ahead and show you the ISO file. All right, so as you can see, the operating system has finished downloading. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and go into my downloads folder and see if it's there. You go into the downloads folder, as you can see, Windows 11 English language 64-bit operating system directly from the Microsoft page. All right, so that's where I'll definitely recommend you to go ahead and download it from here, from the official Microsoft page, because you don't have to worry about any phonies, any fake operating systems, any virus or anything that's going to go ahead and affect you in the future. All right, so you definitely want to go ahead and get something that's legit. All right, so and then afterwards you'll definitely just need a software like Rufus. All right, I made a video probably about a year ago, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that link on the description to the video that I made, and you probably just need something like this. All right, and a flash drive. You go ahead and load the ISO file into this software. You go ahead and burn it into the flash drive, put it in the computer. That's it, you start the installation process. All right, so that's gonna go ahead and do it pretty much for this video. All right, so as you can see, really straightforward, pretty simple steps. All right, so now I will definitely appreciate it if you go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave you all that information right there on the description. All right, so thanks a lot for watching. Peace out. This is your boy Lewis.